So in this ChatGPT tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to turn off chat history in training here on ChatGPT. So first thing you have to do is obviously open up ChatGPT. Then once you're in ChatGPT, go to the bottom left and press on your username. Then press on settings and beta right here. Now on the left it says general, beta features, data controls. I want you to go ahead and press on data controls. And where it says chat history in training, if you want to go ahead and turn that off. Simply just press this green button right here. And if you were to turn this off, as you can tell on the left hand side of your screen, chat history is turned off. Now, if you want to enable it, you can press this green button if you want. Or what else you can do is just go back to the bottom left, press on the exact same thing, settings and beta, data controls, turn it back on, and then everything is back to normal. So pretty straightforward, but that's how you guys can turn off chat history in training here on ChatGPT. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.